Hi students, 12th standard computer science chapter 6 control structure continuation. So last class we studied what is control structure and its types. Just once again I recall you, control structure means it jump one part of program into another part. It has three types, that is sequential, alternative or branching, iterative or looping. So already last class we studied if, simple if else and alternative for if else. So today we are going to continue with alternative or branching, another one topic, if statement. So another name of if statement is nested if. So here when we need to construct a chain of if statement, then if class can be used instead of else. Now syntax for if else statement: if condition statement 1 if elif condition statement 2 and else statement 3. So this is the syntax for if elif statement. So here it check with the first condition. If the condition is true, it display the true part. If the condition is false, it comes with the another if statement. Here again it checks the condition. If the condition is true, it displays statement 2, else it displays statement 3. The next one is if elif statement execution. So here first test expression of if. If the condition is true, it execute body of if. Then if the condition is false, it execute another elif statement. Here it checks the condition. Condition true means it execute body of elif. If the condition is false, it execute body of else part. Then finally it execute the process. So here elif class combines if else statement to one if elif. If elif can be constructed to be the abbreviation of else if. In a statement, if statement, there is no limit of elif statement. Now we are going to write one simple example program for if elif to find the total and average and register the grade number. So here I am going to add 2 marks. So first one is mark 1 int input enter mark 1. The next mark 2 int input enter mark 2. The next step, just I am going to add this to value, then find the average m1 plus m2 divided by 2. Here next to find here we calculated the average value. Now we use the condition if average greater than or equal to 80. If the condition is true, print grade A. If the condition is false, it comes to the next elif statement. So average greater than or equal to 70 and average less than 80. Here it checks with the condition. Again, if the condition is true, it print grade B. Next, if the condition is false, again just I am going to follow another if else statement. Average greater than or equal to 60 and average less than 70. Again it print grade C. Next, last Elif, another one Elif 50 and average 60. Now it print grade D. In case here if the condition is false, it's else part, it display the result grade E. So it checks with the condition is true, it execute the true block. The condition is false, it display the false block. Here the two block of code in our example of if statements are both indented. Here indented with 4 spaces. It is indented with 4 spaces, which is typically amount of indentation for Python. In most other programming languages, the indentation is used only to help to make the code look pretty. But in Python, it is required to indicate to which block of code is executed. The next one is iteration or looping. So iteration or looping are used in the situation when the user need to execute a block of code several of times or till the condition is satisfied. A loop statement allows to execute a statements or group of statements multiple times. Here, how to execute a looping statement? Here, the first one is condition. If the condition is true, it processes a true block until the condition become false. Again, the same process will repeat. In case, if the condition is false, it display the false part and proceed the further statement of a program. So this is the execution method of looping statement or iteration. So the looping statement, it has two types. One is for loop, another one is while loop. Next one is while loop. So here this is a syntax of while loop. So while condition statement 1, else statement 2. Here the else part is optional part. So while loop execution, first while, here just we are going to give a condition, right like this, a condition. So if the condition is true, condition is true, it process a conditional code until the condition become false. Then the false part. So if the condition is false, it exit the program. So it exit the program. So in while loop, the condition is any valid Boolean expression return. Already we know that Boolean expression means return true or false. The else part in a while is optional part. The statement block 1 is kept executed till the condition is true. So again it process the condition true. Then if the else part is written, it is executed when the condition tested as false. Here while loop is also called entry control loop. Let us see the simple example for while loop. Just I am going to print 10 to 15 numbers. So first starting I value 10 and check while I less than or equal to 15. Then print I. So here first I check with the condition I equal to 10. So first time it checks the condition 10 less than or equal to 15. Here the condition is true, so it print I value. Here we use /t. T means tab key, it moves some space. So output of this program, first it display 10. Then here I am going to add I plus 1. So 10 plus 1, 11. So again it comes here. Now the condition is check with 11. Here again it checks the condition. So if condition is true, it print the value 11. Again it increment the value. So class T means just we are going to leave some space here. Some space, for example output, just we are going to leave some space. Okay. Next, third one. Again let 11 plus 1 12. Again it check with the condition. Condition true, it display print a 12 value, and again 12 plus 1 13. Condition true, again it display 13 value, and check with the next condition. 13 plus 1 14. So condition true, so it print 14 value, and again it checks the condition 15. Here 15 also true because less than or equal. Okay. So again it print 15 value, and once again it comes 16. 15 plus 1 16. Now it checks the condition. Here 16 is a greater number, so the condition is false. So it display the result output 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the print function can have two parameters, that is one is END, already we used in while loop, and another one is separator. Here these two are called parameters. So if we use escape sequence means /t/r/n. So in that place we use end parameter. In case if we use semicolon, comma means we use separator. So dear students, I hope you all are understand this concept. So today we will learn what is another alternative method of if and looping statement. What is looping and while loop. Thank you students.